All right, good morning and thank you for being here. My name is Mr. Miller. Last week we talked about the sh sound in class. Do you remember any words that we learned that went with that sound?
Ship.
Good. Yeah, that started with the sh. So today we're going to learn a new sound. This sound is the ch sound. It comes at the end of words. Listen how it's different from the one we learned last week. Last week we learned shh.
Shh.
Today we're going to learn ch.
Ch.
Good. We're also going to talk about the ch spelling pattern. Sometimes it's spelled two different ways. Today we're going to start learning how to figure out which way it is spelled. So let's review some words that we already know. Listen to the difference in these words. First word is wish. What sound does that end with?
Shh.
Good. Now, a new word we're going to talk about today is lunch. What sound does that end with?
Ch.
Good. We're also going to talk a little bit about vowel sounds. So just to review those real quick. The first sound is a short A, like cat. Can you say cat?
Cat.
That's the short A.
A.
But we also have the long A, which would be cake.
A.
Good. A short E would be like in bed.
E.
Good. Long E would be like in tree.
E.
Good. The short I, like in sit.
E.
Good. And then the long I, like in kite.
I.
Good. The short O, like in the word hop.
A.
Good. And then the long O, like in the word boat.
O.
Good. And then last one, we have the short U, which is in the word cup. Good. And then the long U would be like in the word use.
U.
All right, so now we're going to talk about identifying where that sound is in the word. So, again, I'd like you to listen to these words. Catch, match, and watch. You hear that sound, C8, the ch sound? Where does it come in those words?
Not the beginning. The end.
The end, good. So again, that's what we're going to be talking about today, is that spelling of the ch sound at the end. But I'd like also to listen to these words. Rich, much, and such. You hear the ch sound in those as well? Where does that sound come in those?
The end.
It comes in the end as well. Well, those are special words. They actually don't follow the rules that we're going to learn today, but that's okay because we'll learn how to spell those ones tomorrow. So today we're just going to focus on the rules that apply to most words. You know, like in English, there's always rule breakers, but so before we get into our new words today, I'd like you to do some clapping with me. So when we hear the ch sound, we're going to clap together, all right? So the first word is catch. Ready? Catch. Next word is match. Match. Good. Next word is beach. Beach. Good. And finally, lunch. Lunch. Good. All right. So now we're going to talk about those words. We're going to talk about how to spell that CH sound. Okay? So we're going to learn how to use the CH, and then also how to use the other spelling, the TCH. I have some cards here with those on it. Also have some blocks. Nope, not those yet. This is the CH. This is the TCH. Okay,
Wait.
So first...
They sound the same.
They do sound the same. They're the same sound. They're just spelled different ways in different words. I know it sounds confusing, but we'll figure it out together. All right. So first, we're going to talk about the TCH sound. So I'm going to move these blocks, and we're going to concentrate on the TCH. So we talked about the vowel sounds earlier. The reason we did that is because the sound right before the ch is what helps us figure out which way to spell it. So if the word has a short vowel before the ch, that's when it usually ends in TCH. So let's practice with our first word. The first word is match. You hear that short letter A? Ma. So when it has that A, we use the TCH. Actually, you want to use that? Put it there. Match. So say it with me. Match. Good. Now, why don't you go ahead and build that word with these blocks as you say it.
Match.
TCH. Good. Why don't you, we'll clap the whole word together now. We'll go match. Ready? Match. Remember, hear that ah, the short A. Now I'd like you to practice. Can you write the word match on there as you say it?
Match.
Good. That's the word match. Remember, because it has that short vowel sound, that ah sound. So it's TCH. All right, good job. So now we're going to practice another one. Our next word for the day is catch. Can you clap that word with me? Catch. Here, say it with me. Catch. You hear that short A? What's the sound right before the ch?
Ah.
Ah, good. And that's a short letter A sound. So, with the ah, it is a TCH. Why don't you go ahead and build that word while you say it?
Catch.
No, remember. Ah, TCH.
Catch.
Good. So now, let's clap it one more time. Catch. Remember, ah, TCH. Catch. Why don't you go ahead and practice writing the word catch as you say the sounds. No, remember, it's not ch. It's just the ch sound. Catch. Good. Remember, TCH makes that same sound as just CH. It's ch. It's not tch. It's ch. Good. So that's the TCH. What's the rule? If the vowel sound before it is what type of sound? It's not.
A small, short.
Short vowel. Good. Catch. Match. All right. So that's when we use the TCH. Now, we just talked about short vowel sounds. Now we're going to talk about long vowel sounds. Do you remember those ones we talked about earlier?
A.
Tree.
E.
Kite.
I.
Boat.
O.
And use.
U.
Good. Those are the long vowel sounds. The reason we talked about those is because now when we talk about ending in CH, if the vowel sound right before the ch sound is a long vowel, we're just going to use the CH. So if it's a long vowel, we use CH. Also, if there's a consonant.
What's a consonant?
Consonant. Then it's any word letter that's not a vowel. A, E, I, O, and U are vowels. All the rest of the word letters are consonants. So if it ends in a consonant sound, like it ends in just CH. Or if you have a double vowel, two vowels in a row. And you'll see what I mean when we look at our examples. So first, we're going to talk about the word lunch. Can you say it with me? Lunch. What's the last sound before the ch?
The last sound is ch.
Before the ch.
N.
Yeah. And what letter makes that sound?
N.
N. And that's a consonant. So it's going to end in CH. Why don't you go ahead and build that as you say the sounds?
Ch. Lunch.
Lunch. Good. The CH. Now clap it with me. Lunch. One more time. Lunch. Good. A little gentle next time. All right. So now we built the word. We clapped the word. Why don't you go ahead and practice writing the word as you say it?
Lunch.
Good. Remember, it ends in a n, so ch is just CH. Good. All right. So that word ended in a consonant sound. Lunch. So it's CH. Now we're going to look at another word. The word is beach. Can you say the word with me? Beach.
Beach.
Now can you clap it with me? Beach. What's the last sound in that word before the ch?
E.
E. Yeah, and that's that long vowel sound. It's also happens to be that long vowel, the long E happens to be formed with an EA in this case. So 2 vowels in a row, our rule is CH. Why don't you go ahead and build that word there as you say it?
Beach.
Beach. Very good. So you have 2 vowels in a row, EA, it ends in CH. It's also that long vowel sound of E. Why don't you go ahead and practice writing the word while you say it?
Beach.
Good. Well, try and clap it with me. Beach. Beach. Again, what's that last sound before the ch?
E.
E. That's that long vowel sound. Good. All right, we're going to practice one more activity, thinking about the rules that we just learned. So remembering those rules we just learned, I'd like you to build the word beach, lunch, match, and catch. Remembering our rules, so first start with beach. Is it a TCH or CH?
E. So it's big. So this one.
Good. It ends in that long E sound, so it's a CH. Very good. Now let's talk about the word lunch. Is that a CH or TCH? Remember the last sound before the ch.
Mm.
Good, because is a consonant sound, so it's CH. LUNCH. Very good. Doing great. The next word we want to make is match. Remember our rules. Good, because A is a short letter A, so TCH. MATCH. Good. Last one, the word is catch. Good. Another short A, ATCH. Good. All right, so now we know the rules. Now we're going to learn what the words actually mean. All right, so let's first start with the word match.
My mommy doesn't let me play with matches.
Well, good, because that's dangerous. The first thing we want to do, I want to show you what a match is. See these colors and shapes?
Mm-hmm.
I will match the same color. They're the same color. They match. These two match. So now can you match the same colors? Good. Those blocks, what do?
Match.
They match. Good. Here's a picture to show you how colors and shapes match. See, the blue matches with the other blue. Good. They match. So match means they appear the same. Okay? That is the word match. Match. Matching colors. And you are right, there is another definition of match that starts a fire.
We have those at our house.
Yeah. And I want you to be aware that one word can mean multiple things. But for today's learning, we're talking about two things that appear the same. They match. Okay? Nice job. All right. The next word, the word we're talking about is catch. Catch means to grab or capture.
My dog plays catch.
Yeah. I could say, I catch the ball with my hands. I can also catch the ball. Can you catch? Say catch when I throw it.
Catch.
Good. Catch. We're catching the ball. Can you make a sentence with the word catch? Oh, you just did. Tell me about your dog.
My dog plays catch.
Your dog plays catch. Very good. Your dog grabs or captures a ball. So that's the word catch. Catch. With a picture of the boy catching the ball. All right, so now we have match. We have
catch.
Catch. Catch. Good. Our next word, it's one of my favorite parts of the day, is
Nothing.
lunch.
Lunch.
Yeah.
What's your favorite lunch?
My favorite lunch is pizza. What's your favorite lunch?
Ice cream.
Yeah. If your mom and dad let you have ice cream, I suppose that would be a pretty yummy lunch. Maybe not real nutritious, but when do you eat lunch?
At school.
Good. When?
In the middle.
In the middle of the day. Yeah, lunch is the meal in the middle of the day. So that's lunch. Say it with me.
Lunch.
Lunch. It's making me hungry talking about it. Can you use that in a sentence?
I want lunch.
I want lunch.
I want ice cream for lunch.
Ah, ice cream for lunch. Good. So now we have, what are these?
Squares.
But they
Match.
match. And we have
Catch.
catch. And then in the middle of the day we eat
Lunch.
good. Finally, our last word for the day. The word is beach. Do you know what a beach is?
We've been there.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
What's at the beach?
Water.
Yeah, and what else?
Fish.
Fish.
Sand.
Sand, very good. A beach is a strip of land with sand next to a body of water. So just like you said, there's sand and there's water. I like to swim at the beach. What do you like to do at the beach?
I don't like the beach.
No, not at all?
Too sandy.
Okay. So you don't like the beach. Good. So, these two blocks
Match.
match. With the ball, we
Catch.
catch. In the middle of the day, we eat
Lunch.
lunch. Yep. And we go swimming at Presque Isle at the
Beach. I do not
beach.
do that.
You don't like swimming. I like swimming. But we could build sandcastles. Oh, you don't like
I
sand.
like
All right, you've done a great job learning new definitions, learning how to spell the ch sound. Now we're going to do a little reading. We're going to read a book called School Dreams. It's a short story. As you read, you're going to hear some of the words that we talked about with the ch sound in them, okay? So the first time you read, I'm going to go ahead and tap along with the rhythm for you. So go ahead and read and do the best you can. Go ahead.
My name is Rich. It was my favorite time of the day. It was lunchtime. Pizza is my favorite lunch. After lunch, it was time for play. We played catch with a football. After play, we decided to play a game of match the shapes. That is one of my favorite games. After all the fun and games, it was time to work on my reading. Reading can be so much fun, especially when we learn to read beach, catch, match, and lunch. If I learn to read well, maybe someday I'll be rich.
Nice job. Did you notice those sound letters or the words with the ch sound in it we talked about?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we heard catch and match and lunch.
Reading French words.
Yeah. Nice job. Now we're going to practice reading it one more time. This time you're going to whisper read it. So you're going to read it, but in a soft whisper voice to me. Okay? So go ahead.
My name is Rich.
Slow down.
It was my favorite time of the day. It was lunchtime. Pizza is my favorite lunch. After lunch, it was time for play. We played catch with a ball. After recess, we decided to play a game of match the shapes. That is one of my favorite games. After all the fun and games, it was time to work on my reading. Reading can be so much fun, especially when we learn to read beach, catch, match, and lunch.
Nice job. Very good. All right. So now let's practice some of our writing, thinking about the things that we just read. So for the first one, it says, at school, I eat my blank with my friends.
A snack?
Think about what we just read.
Oh, lunch.
Remember how to spell lunch?
Can I look at the paper?
Yeah. Nice job. Next one. I like to swim at the. Where do I like to swim?
The beach.
Good.
It's the long E.
Good. You remember that's the EA sound. Nice job. Next one. I like to blank the colors and shapes of the blocks.
Match. He's doing it.
Good. Last one. I can blank a ball with my hands. Remember we did this together.
Catch.
Nice job. All right. So now, that was a review of some of the words that we talked about here. Now let's just think about the passage itself. Do you remember what activity they like to do after lunch? They ate lunch and then they like to...
Do the matching thing.
They did like to do that. But before they did that, they liked to... It wasn't recess, but it was...
Play.
Play, good. Do you remember what Rick's favorite time of day was?
Lunch.
Yeah. Remember they talked about how he likes to eat pizza.
Uh-huh.
He said it was his favorite time of day. Oops. Do you remember what Rick liked to eat for lunch?
Pizza.
Pizza. Sometimes teachers mess up too. That's okay. All right, nice job. So you read the text. You did a very good job at reading that as well. Remember, next time we'll talk about some of those ch sounds that don't follow the rules. But you did a very nice job learning the rules today. So let's go ahead and review before we finish up here. So remember, we learned about the ch sound. Remember the TCH. Ch. It comes after what type of vowel sound? Like
Ah. So a small vowel.
good, the short vowel. Like in the word match and catch. Good. And then the ch sound, like in beach and lunch, is spelled with that just the CH after what type of sound?
The long one.
The long vowel. Or what about lunch? What is the last sound before the ch?
N.
And what type of letter is or sound is that?
Not a vowel.
Yeah, a
Consonant.
consonant. Very good. So one more time, let's think about the words. When I show you the picture, you tell me what they mean. What does this represent?
Match.
Match. Good. I want you to really emphasize that. This is a
Beach.
good. This boy is
Catch.
catch. Catch. And this is
Lunch.
good. All right. One last activity for you. I'd like to see how well you can write these words and spell them for me. You've done such a good job so far. I think you can do it. Remember, they're brand new, so just try your best. That's a Sharpie. Thank you. All right. Can you try and spell the word beach? Good. How'd you spell that?
BEACH.
Good. Very good. It ends with, has that long vowel sound E, so it ends in CH. Good. How about the word match? How'd you spell that?
MATCH.
Good. You put the TCH because it ends with that sound, or match. How about the word lunch? Can you say it as you spell it?
Lunch.
How'd you spell it?
LUNCH.
Good. The last sound is a consonant, so it ends with just CH. And finally, how about the word catch? Good. How'd you spell it?
CATCH.
Very good. It ends with that short A, that so it ends in TCH. Great job today. Thank you so much for learning along with me. Have a good rest of your day.